Comp 101, I'm ready to start my first assignment. Every week you have a to-do list, and you can access that to-do list from modules or here from our homepage. I like to go to the homepage. So as I scroll down, I can see the various weeks, and we're going to start with week 4, chapter 1. So when I click on that week's module, I should get my to-do list for that week. It takes me directly to my list. At the top of the list, read the lecture. So click on that read the lecture link. And when you read the lecture, you'll get a lot of tips and tricks that will help you with the assignment. Click on the next page to see if there's another page. And here they tell you exactly what you'll need for the assignment. So you can read through this before you begin your assignment. It'll make completing your homework much easier if you read the lecture first. So then you can go back and you'll get back to your to-do list. As I go down my to-do list, I read the lecture and how to complete the weekly assignment, which was part of the lecture. And here are the other things that week on the to-do list. And this is very important. If you don't have a textbook, you can read the chapter on an electronic version. After you've read the chapter, you can go to the link next on the to-do list, submit your Word 2016 Chapter 1 main project. So this is what you'll be handing in, and this is where you'll get the points. So click on the main project link, Chapter 1. And it gives you another link where you can load the start file to begin your assignment. We can confirm that this is the correct link, Word 2016 Chapter 1 main project. Let's look at this important instruction. You must use the start file to receive credit for this assignment. So don't open a Microsoft Word document and just start doing the assignment in the chapter. You have to use the start file that's provided for you. If I click the Start button, I'll get to that. Once again, we can confirm Word Chapter 1 main project, our first assignment. Step 1, the data files. Remember how I was telling you that you need to download the start file? Here's the link to the start file. So if I click on the link to the start file, it automatically downloads at the bottom of my screen. And for this assignment, we're doing a flyer that has a picture in it. And so the file for the picture will also be provided. This flyer is a surfing picture, and here's the blue link. If I click on that link, we can see that the surfing file, the picture that will go in our flyer, is also downloaded. Now that we have our files, let's look at step 2. Open your textbook to the chapter listed, read the chapter, and complete the project. So now we're ready to start our assignment. We have our start file and our support file. But where did they go? We downloaded them. Let's go find them. Next to the file name is a little up arrow. If you click on the up arrow, you can open the document, but I'd rather see where it went. Show in folder is the command. If you click on show us where it went, Windows takes you to the location, and we can see it went to the downloads folder. Everything you download from the internet is likely to land in your downloads folder. So this can get very busy and difficult to find things, and we don't want our schoolwork to be in the downloads folder because we've created a Comp 101 folder. Here I can also see that the picture that I downloaded also is in my downloads folder, and I don't want it here. So let's start with the start file. I want to move that to my Comp 101 folder. I right-click on the start file, and I cut it out of this downloads folder. And now I need to find my Comp 101 folder. I think I put it in Documents. Here's my Comp 101 folder. I have a Word folder, and I have a Chapter 1 folder. So I can right-click, and I can paste in the start file. Now the same thing with the picture, the support file. I don't want that in my Downloads folder. I'll go back to the Downloads folder. Here's the picture. I'll right-click it. I will cut it out of the Downloads folder. Go to the Documents folder, back to my Comp 101 folder, Word, Chapter 1, and I will right-click and I will paste in the support file. Now I have my Microsoft Word document and I have my support file, and I can get to work. Thank you.